Farmers, the life of all citizens, the life of our nation. All of us know that farmers grow and harvest crops, and thus those farmers are the lifeline of our nation and of all of human existence. Farming is not an easy task. For ages to come and go, farmers have faced several difficulties in the process of crop production. Many attempts have been made to help the farmers and agriculturalists, but most of them have failed. Our product, the Agrover by Krishi Innovation, is a tool designed to make the work of the farmers and agriculturalists a little bit easier than earlier. To tell you all a bit about the rover, Agrover is designed to automate essential farming activities such as watering, fertilizing, monitoring crop health, etc. By leveraging advanced technologies, these rovers we aim to revolutionize traditional farming practices. The primary role of Agrover is to enhance the efficiency of farming operations by reducing manual labor. Through precision farming techniques, agricultural rover contributes to improving crop yield and overall agricultural productivity. With this rover, we aim to revolutionize global agriculture and empower the farmers by making sure that all of them have access to this new high-end technology. We aim to make technology efficient and of regular use in agriculture. Thus, at Krishi Innovation, we hope for the farm rover to reach every single agricultural household all around the world. Here is a glimpse of our product, a miniature model. Hello everyone, I am Sanyam Surana, the founder of Krishi Innovation that took birth in Sri Academy, Kolkata. And here are the major parts of our Agrover that make it special. Krishi, which took its birth in Shri Academy, has only one aim, that is, harnessing nature's flow, letting progress grow. Team currently consists of one team, Sanyam, but my H teammates were Kavya Rakesh and Devansh. The theme is product for boosting functioning of agriculture industry. Problem statement title: Unavoidable issues faced by farmers. Introduction: Meet the Farm Rover, a cutting-edge marvelous transforming agriculture. This autonomous robot blends advanced technology with traditional farming, navigating diverse terrains to optimize crop yields with state-of-the-art sensors and autonomous capabilities. It redefines farming by bringing intelligence and efficiency to every field. Embrace the future of agriculture with the farm. Introduction: The Agriculture Rover. Agricultural rovers are designed to automate essential farming activities such as watering, fertilizing, and monitoring crop health. The primary role of agricultural rover is to enhance the efficiency of farming operations by reducing manual labor and optimizing resources. With the precision farming techniques, agriculture rovers contribute to improving crop yield and overall agriculture productivity. Our vision. Our vision is a world where farmers thrive with precision and sustainability. Though innovative farm rovers aspire to revolutionize global agriculture, ensuring farmers have access to advanced technology for efficient, intelligent, and eco-friendly farming practices, fostering a prosperous and resilient agricultural ecosystem. Our mission. Our mission is to empower farmers with cutting-edge technology. We create farm rovers to enhance precision agriculture, optimizing yield and resource management, committed to sustainability, aim to revolutionize farming, making it efficient, intelligent, and environmentally conscious for a brighter and more productive future. Environment sustainability, solar panel operation. Agricultural rovers are designed with self-recharge capabilities using solar panels, ensuring sustainable and eco-friendly operation without relying on external power sources. Reducing chemical usage by implementing targeted and precise application of water and fertilizers. These rovers contribute to reducing the overall chemical usage in farming, promoting environmentally conscious and agricultural practices. Soil health preservation. Through data-driven insights and precision farming, agricultural rovers aid in preserving soil health and minimize environmental impact, aligning with sustainable agricultural principles. The main problems faced by the farmers are soil erosion, labor costs, physical stress on farmers, outdated farming techniques, land fragmentation, expensive machinery, destructive crops, chemical fertilizers, health issues of crops, and time consumed. The probable solutions, apart from our rover, were innovative machine which simplifies cover crop cultivation by fermenting and planting seeds, enhancing soil health, preventing erosion, suppressing weeds, and managing nutrients. Drones and satellites monitor crop nutrient needs and deficiencies, aid irrigation management by tracking soil moisture and crop stress, conserving water, and guiding land management, but this was really costly. Multi-crop planting equipment streamlines straw cultivation, minimizing labor, ensures uniform seed spacing for robust and healthy crops stands, optimizing emergence and growth. Technology to enhance farming, precision agriculture, real-time data and automated machinery boost productivity, sustainability and income for farmers. The features that are over Agrover brings with us prevention of soil erosion with crop residue, app simple user interface UI, automated fertilizer and pesticide spraying, live farm feed cameras. Latest information regarding farming in the app saves the environment by using green energy, dual language support in the app, locating the rover or find my rover. Advantages of our agro. Rover works on smaller fragments of land. The rover is cost effective and reduces physical stress on farm. It reduces the labor costs, prevents soil erosion, reduces the usage of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. It has automatic harvesting, automatic weeding, and renewable energy regeneration. Our future plan. Our project initially aids farmers in planting, spraying, erosion prevention, harvesting, and monitoring crops. Future plans include integrating AI for enhanced live camera feed analysis, precise pest identification, and direct farmer AI interaction for issue resolution. We envision a versatile rover extending beyond agriculture, automating tasks and contributing to a smarter, more technical world. Continuous innovation will refine its functionality, ensuring usability across diverse sectors and facilitating widespread automation for improved efficiency and convenience. Thanks.